fidgets that match my hair, part 2. We have this purple goo tube. Then we have tangles. I'm just going to show you a few of them at a time. We have this one that glows in the dark. And these. As well as this one. Some more metallic-y purple. We love that. And this tangle palm. Amazing. Incredible. 10 out of 10. Then we have the Mr. Snap in purple. As well as another goo tube, but with boba, and this is more purpley vibes. Then lastly, I have this little mini Nido squishy monster that is in purple. Follow for more content like this.